Whoa!
I've been in here on the top side. Early to get the cherries.
Hi. I know, well, going to. Did you get that
one hand?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Make sure you get one of our tacos.
There's that.
We did all the taco meat.
So right here, this is for the door prizes. So put this in the big white jar at the end.
Oh, good.
And if I don't win the 50-50, can I use those tickets for beer at the next social function? You know, beer tickets, yeah. Yeah.
Although
$20 for your mask.
All right, okay, so now we're on the poker rally, the Salmon Arm Snowblazers Club, putting this event on, and I'm following Danger Dave here. We're doing the little climb, the gnarly stuff up here to the cabin. Really nice stuff, you know. It's just so dusty today. It's you know, not ideal conditions that way, but I mean, it's like summer-like weather. It's just so warm out. And many riders, well over 100 riders. So you've got groups that are bunching up and, you know, making big dust clouds, and then they're stopping every 2 minutes. And oh man, come on, just keep going. But this is great stuff in here, great event. Sure enjoying it. And I think Dave is as well. Yeah, a little bumpy in here. I remember coming on a poker rally here about 3 or 4 years ago with the DRZ 650, and it started to snow, and I tell you, this stuff was a real handful with that bike. I remember coming down some of these hills, I would just shut it off and coast down with it in gear, using the clutch as a brake. It was pretty wicked, but boy, this is sure fun on the quad today.
Full 5? 5, please. 3, 4, 5. I lost him.
Okay, we're past the first checkpoint, and Dave is in the lead. Danger Dave, and he's on the pipe. My philosophy about off-road riding is, you know, no matter what you're riding, you make the most of it and you enjoy it. So whether it's a quad, a single track dirt bike, a dual sport bike, you know, whatever, get out and enjoy it, and you know, savor every day that you get a chance to do this. I'm in the twilight of my riding days, so every day that I get to be able to do this is a bonus, and when it's all said and done, I don't think I'll be able to complain that I didn't get enough riding in. But every day that I get a chance, I'm out here doing it.
Ready to pull some lucky chips?
You know what? I am.
Perfect.
So do 5 again?
Sure, whatever you want.
Okay, or 50, 5 or 50? Let's see, does that feel like about 5?
One more.
4. Pick the lucky one there. There we go.
I don't really care though.
And thank you very much for volunteering to do this.
Oh, thank
This
you
is
so much.
Thanks for showing up.
this is really good.
It's a lot of fun.
It is, you know, and you know, you guys could be out just enjoying it, but you're here, you're sharing it with everybody, so that's great.
Somebody's got to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
We have just as much fun.
Good, good, good. All okay? Oh. Yeah. Oh, we got another group coming along here. All right, coming into checkpoint 3. A perfect day. Oh, look at that. They got the firewood already. This is perfect.
Coming.
So we have awesome. Thank you.
Good ask for that.
Last section.
Oh, wow. It is a perfect day. It's summer like.
Yeah. One of those.
Little baby.
So Craig should.
And first things first, thank you very much for volunteering and putting on this event, you know, making it happen.
And thank you very much for
Okay,
helping out.
so I pick 50, do I? That one. Rummage, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What a beautiful day. Yeah, so a tip of the hat to the Salmon Arm Snowblazers. It takes a lot of volunteer effort to put these events on, and you know, they had lots of people. They had the emergency personnel out in the middle of nowhere. It was all good stuff. I think we're just on the final section here, coming back up to the cabin. A little bit of a rendezvous there so we can have something to eat and socialize a bit. But thanks again to the Salmon Arm Snowblazers for hosting this great event. And wow, I mean, perfect weather. You know, for the 1st of October, you know, there are many years where this time of year there's already snow on the ground up here, and it's not gone till the spring. All right, looks like we've completed the loop, which has brought us back to the chalet for the Salmon Arm Trailblazers Club. And good crew here already. They got the tunes going. Good, because I don't have to sing.
Sing.
You know, if I knew the lyrics to this song, I guess I would, but I don't.
You still got door prizes. Oh, definitely. The goggles are worth it, for sure.
Thanks again for all the volunteering that you and your cohorts have done to make this event happen, and it's all good.
We appreciate it.
It is a super day. You bet. How long have you been involved with the club?
Well, we've been members for 6 years, but we just moved out here last year.
Okay.
So I've been a full-time volunteer now for about a year and a half.
Oh, that's excellent. No, very good.
I'm not in control of the rain, sorry. Next year.
Come on!
Last time we did it, we had rain and snow. Eh?
I know, I heard. You have been.
Hey, now that's worth it.
I do not.
That's worth it.
We're charging $5.
Rain, it's, you know, lots of trail, very family oriented for the sledders. So it's great. Yeah.
Somebody with their hands to give a big warm welcome to our club president, Sandy, to the depths of Salmon Arm, the Fly Wheels!
No, they're wrapping up. They're on their way. He was driving the fire department side by side. There's Jen in the poker here, Jason on the barbecue, Carolyn in the kitchen, Ebony at 2.5 with Connor, Dale and Sandy at 3 at the third checkpoint there at Moose Meadow. There's Brett, Bonnie that came and did the firewood here. Not sure if we're gonna need a fire today. Jimmy and Jess were down here today with the poker chip. There's Tim, Jim, Steve Sandenis, we say, Clint, Ben, Susan, Carter, Michelle, Lori, Julia, Sarah, Pam, Kevin, Dory. Okay. Carter, Annabelle, Candy, Victor, Bella, and Big D. So big.
Okay, well that's a wrap from the Salmon Arm Snowblazers ATV Poker Rally. A great success. Many thanks to the volunteers that made that happen. And thank you to Danger Dave for accompanying me on this ride. It was a great day. Wow, look at that spectacular view of Salmon Arm. Wow.